Okay, back for the second flight. After a couple adjustments, brought the elevator up half a turn and readjusted my nose gear steering so it should track straight. Hopefully this is a more uneventful kind of flight than the maiden. Gears are up. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, it just turned over on its own. Okay, let's bring this to middle rates. Middle rates feels pretty good. Okay. Oh, that wind kicked it over. Wow. Wiggins, you about to take off? Wiggins, you about to take off? Hey, Wiggins. Hey, Wiggins, are you about to take off? Are you okay?
1 minute, 2 seconds, 22.7
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Wiggins, are you about to take off? No. Okay. I'll be landing in about a minute. Hold on.
44 seconds, 22.2 volts.
I think I'm gonna push the CG up a little forward. Okay, I'm gonna set up to land after this pass. Gears are down, landing from the right. Oh, getting a little twitchy there. Okay, much better. Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, much better.
High rate.
Feels better. That was a better one. Thank you.